Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I will be showing you how to unzip files iPhone. So guys, first thing is just simply download the zip file that you have. So if you have the zip file on the G drive, you should be able to select it and select the three dots, and pretty much over here just simply select download over here. And now, if you are downloading it, make sure, guys, that you save it into your files. And in other cases, you have to share it. And once you share it, you should be able to see here, save to files. That is the most important thing. And just simply save it into your file and select a specific location. Now, once you have done that, you can just simply go to your file. And after that, once you are on your files, you should be able to see the zip file. Now, in order for you to unzip the files on iPhone, you can just simply go ahead and select it, guys. And automatically, as you can see, when I select it, it extracted the zip file. And you can just simply tap on the folder and you should be able to see the contents inside it, and pretty much tapping on the zip file will automatically unzip it. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.